I am Bandhavi from grade 3A. Today I am about to tell easy division method with an easy division machine. If you get a problem like 12 divided by 3, I will explain you. You should keep 12 sticks in the dividend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have kept 12 sticks. Now the divisor is 3. We should keep 3 in each of the cups. 2, 3, 3. Filled up 4 cups. So the quotient is 4. The quotient will be 4 because 12 threes are is 4. 3 fours are is 12. Quotient is 4. The remainder is 0 because no sticks are left in the dividend. Thank you.
SSV International School, empowering the leaders of tomorrow.